Yo, what's going on, guys? Vlogger boy with another video. See if I can set the camera up somewhere so you guys can hear me play and see what I play on. So we're gonna move all this stuff. We're gonna place my camera there. Good. This is what I do during my break. Play the drum. Dude, I keep hearing someone. Dude, I keep hearing something. What is that? Oh, this is scary. Oh, it's my washing machine. Dude, that scared me. I kept hearing tapping noises. I was like, what is that? But I forget my washing machine makes a lot of weird noises. I don't know why, but it does. Because everything breaks in this house. Oh yeah, I try not to love it when it rains. I sure do, because it rains every freaking day here now. And it's summertime. When does that become a story? It raining during the summertime. I have never, ever witnessed that unless I'm at the beach. It rains a lot when I'm at the beach. I say it rains every time I get to the beach, except for one time. And I've been to the beach a million times, guys. Don't know what all that noise is. Probably that truck over there. My dad works for a tow company. And he's working right now on a tow truck. Someone actually broke in on Saturday, I think it will happen. Broke into two tow trucks, stole one tow truck, and stole a white pickup truck. Chevrolet Silverado, look for it. Has the things on the back to protect the trunk and stuff. Wave club thing. That piece back there protects that. It's white. It's a. If you see it, let us know. Cause we're trying to look for it. You got that? Got that? Okay. Good enough. So, not really a lot to talk about. I've been just chilling at my house, you know, same like every other person in the world. Just chilling, dude. Oh. What you doing, guys? You just chilling watching me? You watching me? I'm the only one here, so you must be watching me. Don't you love that scene in Alvin and the Chipmunks, that movie? What it's called, the sequel? Alvin and Chipmunks sequel, I think it was. Yeah. You talking to me? You talking to me? I'm the only one here, so you must be talking to me. Oh, look at my nose. Look at me. My hair all freaking messed up. Stay still here. I said stay still. Hair's crazy, guys. I don't know why it's acting all crazy, but yeah, you like that twisty Bernie? Exactly. Should I record like this? I think I should. Or should I record like this, like I normally do? I think I'm gonna keep it normal for right now, just because it's easier to hold my phone. I have a record on the phone. Not so solid. Usually vloggers usually have like a big, like freaking camera, like Sony or something. I don't have that. I don't have this kind of cameras here. We don't have this cameras at our phone at our house. We use our phones. I don't know why he can't buy it, because we're very poor. We barely got any food to survive. But you know, just chilling. Thought I'd record something for you guys. So in that case, I'll see you in the next video, which will be in, I don't know, probably nighttime. I'll probably record tonight. I don't know. Still waiting on seeing if you guys want to play games. Yeah, I could record. I got a lot of games. I have a lot of Xbox 360, but my Xbox 360 is broke because my brother dropped like glass bottle on it and it broke back. But it still works, but it don't work as good as it used to. And I can record Xbox One. If you didn't see the last video, I told you my account name if you want to friend me. But in that case, I'll see you guys in the next video.